Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a 2-for-1 special. We're going to install these brand new spanking new blades onto these two edgers. One of them is a McLean. I'll list the model numbers and whatnot in the description below. And also this is our old Troy built that we replaced the belt on many moons ago. So we want to thank our sponsors for providing these blades for us to test out. I'll also leave the links to their website and description below. Now, for the McLean, it's a pretty straightforward process. I think this is a 5/8 inch arbor, I think they call it. And you just slap it on there, and you know, it may be eccentric, it'll kind of self-level. Put it on here, and the plate will kind of secure itself. And this is a 3/4 inch nut. What I like to do is, instead of being all fancy, just kind of use this as a stand for resistance. Tighten. There. That's secured for one. Going super easy. With the Troy built, it's the same process. The shaft is a little bigger, but it still fits. It fits perfectly. So for the Troy built, there are more steps involved. So on this side, over here to the left, there's a shield or shroud for the belt. So you have to remove that to kind of secure this nut so it doesn't move. And with that secured, take our blade, slide it in, put the nut back on. Use a crescent wrench because this nut is actually bigger than 3/4 of an inch, so I couldn't find anything in my tool set, so I have to use a crescent wrench. And we're going to use the vice grip on this end to secure, to keep from torquing the belt and the assembly, overall assembly. Alright, so just crank that down. Perfect. Okay.